this is the final product of what I made earlier. So yes, I put some light. First of all, you should need to buy some face shield. But this one was given by her grandpa. And next is you need to collect some old materials such as this light and the wires. So this one is from the lights that an LED lights, and these wires are from the charger. And yes, I'm so sorry guys that I didn't that I didn't attach this properly because I'm really not good at attaching. But so if you want to know more on attaching wires, just search. So guys, I put some scotch tape here because I know that scotch tape is not allowed, so I put some scotch tape because I'm running out of electric wire. Just this black wire. Ano?
Electric tape?
electric tape pala. So guys, so I'm running out of electric tape. So what I did, I fully covered the lid. But the purpose of this scotch tape is to fix this like this. Kasi nahihirapan ako kapag dito fix ang mali. So ito hindi ko na kailangan ito idikit kasi solid naman yung wire niya. So yes guys, this one from my old charger. Yes, this all is from my this is from my old charger. So I need to connect this to the power bank. My old power bank. My sister's power bank. Celine, shout out to my sister Celine. This is her power bank. So this is the switch. So I'm so sorry guys, madumi talaga. Pero kung gusto niyo ng yung old version niyo, ako rin ang bahala. Sa akin yung budget lang sa akin to eh. Humilang ko ng electrical wire kay my love. So kay Angel pala. Kay my love. So the fuck. So guys, so this is a face shield inspired by Iron Man. You know guys, will say I really love Iron Man. Because she's intelligent. No, he's intelligent. Like, so he's intelligent guy, and yeah, Tony Stark. So ang difference lang kasi isa lang yung light, Iron Man dalawa. So I need more lights. So that's all guys. I hope you like it guys. So by the way guys, this is very important guys, because the number one, the face shield is to protect us from the virus, and number two is this light. The purpose of this light is to give us some light, especially in the evening or if you walk in the dark, and especially to those who are going home late. You need this. If your phone is low, but you can use this. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Bye bye.